welcome back to my channel ft-Photography. Today I will be discussing on the topic YouTube and its purpose. So let's begin. So basically YouTube was introduced in 2005 in Valentine's Day by Chad Harvey, Steve Chen and Javed Karim, who were the former employees of PayPal. As they were in a group discussion during a dinner party in San Francisco, as they thought that it is difficult for people to share videos in online mode, so they decided to introduce a online platform in which there should be easily distribution of videos can be taken, and it will also be beneficial for the people who can develop the skills. And if a person is interested in choreography or in singing, so he or she can also sing and record itself and share the videos in the online platform on YouTube, in which people can watch him or her, or also he can also see the other people's skills and can learn from them. Not only this, there are also many other benefits of YouTube. Like if you are unable to, suppose for example, take an example like we are unable to set a pin in an ATM, or we are unable to get how to get updated our how to do payment in online mode, or how to take money or withdraw money from ATM in online mode. So these are the basic things which most of the people didn't have idea about it. So YouTube provides them with the videos like how can you learn to withdraw money from ATM and all. So it is as easy, it gets easy for people to learn from these YouTube videos and to do the work in a right way. YouTube also provides many educational videos and knowledgeable videos, and also if we feel bored and if we get depressed or something like that, we don't feel good and feel uneasy, so we watch comedy vibes and comedy videos which encourage us, and motivation videos also. Many videos are there which get us motivated or let us happy and all that. So YouTube is a very good platform, and it also not only to develop skills but also we learn from other people's. We watch their videos and like, comment, and also related videos are also getting into our notification, which we can see that what are the videos as we are related. Whatever questions we can search in YouTube and can learn from it. So it's a very easy and is a very beneficial platform for all of us. So it provides many benefits to the audiences. Suppose there is an event or any competition in your university or college or school, so there is last minute of preparation and you need to perform very well. So there is YouTube, you can see the videos of choreographers, or many choreographers are provided in YouTube. You can learn in the last minutes also and can perform well. So it's a very easy way for all of us. We don't need to go to the choreographer itself, we can learn in online mode, and it is very easy. At last but not the least, also we learn from different cultures of other states, other countries and all. We have that curiosity, many people have that curiosity to know about other states and other countries, their culture, their tradition, their food, their lifestyle and all. We watch YouTube videos and travel vlogs also. We are interested, like if we want to visit a place, where it is and how we can reach in a safest way, or what are the beautiful places in that particular state, and what are the things we need to see, so that we like people watch the travel blog video and also get idea or insights of what to watch, where to go there, and also the places to visit, so that they don't miss any chance to miss any places. So it's a very beneficial things for all. So that's all for today's topic. If you like my video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification regarding whenever I upload new videos, and also suggest on the topic which you want to know in the comment section. Till then, bye, take care and watch ft-Photography.